Well, hello again. It is Cecilia, the digital marketing maven, with your midday business message. We talked yesterday. Yesterday was part one of four. Yesterday, we talked about why you are struggling in your network marketing business, and mindset was the first one that I touched on. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, go back and check that out because today is all about business skills, right? What skills do you need to have to succeed in network marketing? It's so important that you master these business skills because this is going to be what is going to enable you to grow a successful network marketing business. So with that being said, for those who don't know me, I am Cecilia Faye Morris, the digital marketing maven. I teach business owners, entrepreneurs, and network marketers how to build their brand and their business online using digital marketing strategies. And I'm sharing this information with you from an article I found from Big Income Paradise. And I got to give them credit where credit is due because they put together a great list of why you're struggling in network marketing. So without further ado, let's get into these business skills that you need to have a successful network marketing business so you can stop struggling and start winning. So when it comes to business skills, the best skill you can have in your toolbox when it comes to network marketing is to know how to sell. But you have to be strategic in how you sell. Everybody likes to buy stuff, but nobody likes to be sold. And the best salesmen out there are the ones who are solving a problem. If you are solving someone's problem, they're going to pay you all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. But you've got to be solving a problem. So I'm going to give you some examples that my clients have used to help solve problems. There's my client, Levan, and he has a travel business, but he doesn't want to be a travel agent. He doesn't want people calling him for travel. He wants people that are interested in a travel business. So the problem that he solved was he shared with people how to get paid to travel. And from that, he was able to find the people who are interested in a travel business. Or there's my friends, Evora and William, or I guess William and Evora, because they go by we for short. They also are in the network marketing space and they have a health and wellness business. Their company is in health and wellness. And what they provided was a checklist on how to tell if your vitamin is giving you all the nutrients that you expect to get from your vitamins. They gave you a vitamin checklist. That's another example. And then there's my clients, Amy and Brian. Amy and Brian have a collagen. They're also, well, I think they're in the health and wellness space. Yes, they are in the health and wellness space. But one of their products is a collagen product. And what they created was a list of smoothie recipes you can add collagen to. Their whole tagline was, without the collagen, you're just making smoothies. So again, having the ability to solve someone's problem without directly selling to them is going to make a big difference in your network marketing business. I've said this before, but it bears repeating. One of the worst business skills I see that people exhibit when it comes to their network marketing business is they become an online commercial for the company. Everywhere on their Facebook page, it's all their company information, it's all their company stuff. It's on their Facebook, their LinkedIn, it's all they ever talk about. And that's not good because of two reasons. One, it gives people to prejudge you before you even have a chance to have a conversation with them. And two, because what happens if you switch companies? I have a client who I won't name, but we were running Facebook ads for him and only to find out that his company does not allow any form of advertising. It doesn't matter if you are not even mentioning the company name, they don't allow advertising at all. So what if he decides to leave that company, but if he was so branded with that company and then he went to another company, then people would be asking questions. And I have my own personal story of bad branding. When I got started in this space, this was probably like, geez, I'm dating myself, probably like 2008. And I was with a company that had energy drinks, energy shots, and that company was shut down by the FTC. Lost my entire business with that company because, again, they were shut down. Did eventually reopen, but what kind of reputation do they have after being shut down for a period of time? Not only that, I had branded myself as the energy drink lady. That's what people knew me as. Hey, girl, you got those energy drinks? Now my company shut down. My network doesn't know what to do. I'm scrambling, trying to find a new network marketing company. I jumped into something really quick just to give my downline, my distributors, something to latch onto without doing my research. And I ended up leaving that company as well. So what happens when you brand your company instead of yourself, that you put yourself in a box? So that is business skill that people do wrong all the time. You want to brand yourself. So if your company has a great product, if it's a hair and nails product, if it's a collagen product, whatever it is, talk about how that product solves a problem. So one of the things that I talk about with my company is the whole being able to sleep. You know, the CDC said 80% of Americans suffer from sleep deprivation in some way, shape, or form. Oh no, that was CNN. CNN said 80%. The CDC said people who take sleep medications report waking up feeling groggy, listless, and it takes them a hard time to get their day started. So people are having trouble sleeping. So I'm solving a problem by helping people get the restful sleep they need so they can wake up refreshed and ready to start their day. But again, what is the problem that you solve? And if you're having a problem figuring out the problem you solve, what do your products do for you? Tell your story. I talked about that yesterday. You got to have a story to tell. If you don't have one of your own, then tell somebody else's. All right. So that is the biggest business skill. You need to learn how to sell, but you have to do it in a way that people don't feel like they're being sold. You don't want to be an online commercial for your company because you don't want to be prejudged. You want to brand yourself. So that way, if you switch companies, then it's not weird. And you want to create a daily method of operation. So I've been successfully working from home for the last 5 years. I don't really have a schedule, but I have my own internal schedule. I have a daily method of operation. I get up every day around 10 a.m. Well, I don't get up at 10 a.m., but I make sure I'm sitting at my computer by 10 a.m. And then there's a series of things that I go through just to make sure I follow up on emails. I'm messaging people who've asked me for information. I'm replying to people who have been nice enough to comment on my posts. And then there's my MGOs, my MGAs, my money generating activities, my MGAs. And those are things like making connections every day, checking my Facebook ads, see what's happening there, making sure if someone has got my product that I'm following up with them to make sure that they like the product. Because if they don't, guess what? I lose money because they're not going to reorder. But what is your daily method of operation? And if you are working, okay, so you work 9 to 5 for somebody else. Make sure you work 8 to 10 for yourself. You got to put that time in for yourself and your business. And you have to be regimented with the time that you spend. Don't say, I'm going to work these 2 hours every night and you spend it watching TikTok videos and reels. What are the activities that you're going to do to maximize your productivity during that time that you allot yourself? You also need to be able to manage your finances. This is so critical, especially for me, since, you know, hey, this is how I eat. This is my bread and butter. But you got to be able to manage your finances, but you don't have to do that yourself. I recommend all of my clients get a good accountant at the least and a CPA at the best. A CPA is a little more qualified than accountant, but at the end of the day, whether it's an accountant or a CPA, you are running a business, not a hobby. So treat your business like a business and get someone who is skilled in your business model to manage your taxes for you, as well as help you manage your financing. Another tool that you need in your toolbox of business skills, you're going to need leadership, because if you're in this network marketing space, then you're going to need to be able to lead your team to success, right? And the best way to do that is with what I talked about yesterday, personal development. When you enhance or you invest in your personal development, not only do you become more valuable as a person, you become more valuable as a leader to your team. So that's my tip today, you guys, for business skills. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you are going to start implementing some of these skills in your business if you haven't already. Just to do a quick recap, remember, you got to know how to sell if you're in network marketing, but you need to do it in a way to where you're a problem solver and not a sleazy salesperson. You need to be able to manage your time, and you need to have a daily method of operation. You need to manage your finances, and I suggest, again, you get an accountant or a CPA to help you with that. And then you need leadership skills. You need an ABL. always be learning. So those are my tips for today on how you can stop struggling as a network marketer. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about targeting. How do you target the right audience? Because if you're not speaking the love language of your ideal client, customer, business partner, you are going to always struggle as a network marketer. Once again, I am Cecilia Faye Morris, the digital marketing maven. If you want to partner with me to learn marketing skills, I mean, if you love your company, you love what they stand for, you love what they do, but you're having trouble building your own tribe within your network marketing business, then let me get you some marketing skills. Comment group on this video, GROUP on this video, and I'll send you the link to my Facebook group, Easy Facebook Ad Strategies for Network Marketers. If you are with a company and you're kind of like, nah, I'm gonna tell you a quick story and then I'll be gone. So a lady reached out to me yesterday and she's with a company who I'm not gonna name, but we connected through my Facebook ad and she came into my Facebook group, Easy Facebook Ad Strategies for Network Marketers. So I reached out to her since she's new to the group and said, hey, what is your biggest challenge right now that I can help you with? And she said, getting people. So after I did a deeper dive into what she's struggling with, what I found out was she was like, about her company. I didn't have to ask her. She asked me, are you in network marketing? And I said, yes. She said, who are you with? And I said, she asked me for information on my company. I said, before I do that, let's have a quick chat to make sure that you're a right fit for what I have, because it might be, coming out the frying pan into the fire based upon what she had already told me about the company that she was with. So if that's you and you're about your company, you're not making any money, you're really not passionate about the products that your company offers, then comment company on this video, and we'll just have a quick chat and I'll share with you what it is that I do to see if you may be a good fit for my company. I will tell you, as part of my team, you will have the product support, the marketing support, and the compensation plan that will make this a very lucrative opportunity for you. So with that, here we go. We're off to the races. This is part 2 of why you're struggling in network marketing. I'll see you tomorrow for part 3 when we get into audience targeting. Have a great day on purpose. I am Cecilia, digital marketing maven.